Hello again. So, let's see. What have we got here? Continue a new day. And there's a nice Pagani. So let's see, what do we need to fix on it? Who knows? Running gear problems. Hard to control. Allowed. Okay. You know what? We're not gonna just guess anymore. Oh yeah. Look at that door. Let's just go and test drive it. Ah, come on, seriously. Starting again. Okay, let's top up brake fluid. Where's the reservoir? In the front? Should be, yeah, down there. Okay, we're just gonna top it up. From engine bay. What a freaking hell. Come on, seriously. There's the freaking engine in the back. And there's that in the front. Okay, we're not gonna test drive this. Because to get to the engine bay, actually, hold on, I have another idea. Suspension, engine. Okay. Yes, you have to get to the engine bay, remove the rear shell, then it's removing lights and everything, so let's just bring it in and fix it. We'll figure out what it needs. That's okay. Okay. Oh yes, lovely car. That will do the trick. Let's just don't know how good of an access we will have if we just open it, but should do the trick. I'm gonna need exhaust and everything. So parts not discovered, loud. Yes, we need exhaust. Okay, you know what? Let's run a full test on it. Yeah, it's time to start building more experience points anyway, so we're gonna start and fully diagnose every single car that comes in. Okay, there we go. Look at that exhaust for the bin. And it's gonna cost a fortune, that's for sure. Like, I mean, serious amount, thousands, I guess. Probably over 1,000 even. Okay, and one more to go, and we're done. Yeah, there's some parts what we need to change, so that's why it's always good to check out any vehicle. Jump onto the engine, run a few more tests, and see how it goes. Fuel system. Okay, only 3 items, not much. Let's check the tires. Okay, now electrics. Okay. Next, what's next? Compression test. Okay, not bad. Generally car is in good condition. It does look good as well, so what to expect? It's not a piece of junk, so okay. So we have our tests done. Now let's check our list again. There we go. Outer tie rod not discovered. Inner tie rod, front end link, exhaust, brake fluid, washer fluid. Okay, yeah, one part not discovered. Let's start stripping. Exhaust, goodbye. Okay, there's another one. You know what? That's gonna be our not discovered part. But to have this replaced, we're gonna have to go to our suspension tool and strip it down. Now here, there's a wheel in the way. Let's just remove the wheel. Get the outer tie rod out of the way, and okay, don't jump so much, and the inner tie rod, goodbye. Now other side, drop links, there we go. Come on, one more tire for whatever reason, but I never like to do the tires, do the wheels. They're just, I don't know, I don't like them. I'm not a tire man. Not my favorite task. Okay, let's check our list. Ah, look at that. Rear shock absorber cap. I knew it. Let's just strip that as well. Go back to our tool here. There we go. And let's go shopping. What do we need? Not this one, definitely. Our inventory. Tie rod, drop link, inner tie rod, and the other one, and exhaust. And that's it. Let's see. Can we afford all this? That's the first question. Again, the wrong menu. There we go. So, parts. Okay, let's delete the old ones. And there we go. Inner tie rod. Okay. Front end links. Okay. Outer. Good. I could have tried to fix it. Let's see. Can we fix anything else? What's left? Okay. No, they were too bad to be fixed. So, didn't really waste any cash there, because I had to buy them anyway. Okay, that one we go as well. And oh, 1500. I knew it's more than 1000. Okay, well, that's that. Let's just fix our shock absorber. Where are we? Oh, come on, don't turn so much. There we go. Okay, and jump back to our vehicle. Fit everything back quickly. And get our money. Okay, other side, there we go. Inner tie rod. Yeah, that definitely is important to have them in good condition, as they steer, they hold the two wheels together and the wheel alignment and everything. If they're worn and have a play in them, it's not good, because the car will be all over the place. And it's not just the knocks what it can cause, that's, let's say, the smallest problem, but it's not stable, it's not straight, it goes wherever it wants, it's just not good. Let's just jump onto this first. Rear shock absorber and exhaust. Okay, and now, okay, we need to top up the brake fluid. That's why we couldn't take it out for a test drive. And there we go. Okay, that will do. And we have, I didn't fit that. Wow. Windscreen washer fluid. Let's just fill that quickly, and then we can refit the sway bar link, drop link. I always call it drop link. I got used to that. I always use it like that, and now it's a different name. I don't even want to get used to it, so for me it's okay. Everybody calls it whatever you want. And there we go. Hooray! That's that. That's done. There we go. We can close it. Did we finish everything? Of course we did. Nice. Let's bring it out to the sun. There we go. Oh, yeah, okay. We had our Ford, which is not a Ford. Here, Focus, whatever it is, or something like that. But that's inside now, yeah, and this is outside, which was exactly the plan anyway. Okay, let's just do this. Get some fancy pictures. It's like a spaceship. It's like really nice. Pagani Huayra. Okay, that will do. Just to have a few pictures for the next later generation, and give it back to the customer, cash it out. Oh, nice. Okay, now we can definitely start our other car, which is, well, it needs a lot of bits. So see you soon in the next one.